Hey my peeps, let's make carrot cookies, fake baked cookies with the cookie cutter from Walmart. So I'm gonna cut out an orange base. This cookie is gonna be 3 layers. And then I'm gonna cut out another orange base, and I'm gonna cut the leaf part off of the cookie on both pieces. And the reason for that is because I'm gonna make the leaf part green. So I need to cut that off. So there goes my green clay. And now I need to cut out 2 pieces of the leaf part of the cookie. And then I need to cut off the end part because I'm going to put it right back on top of the cookie. While the while the clay is still soft and moist, you want to put it onto the other part of the cookie. That's probably sound confusing. Cookie, cookie, cookie. I'm sorry, but you guys know what I mean. So now I got the 2 pieces, the bottom and the top. And so now I'm going to roll out some white clay to make the filling for the cookie, okay? So as you can see, I also have trouble with clay being sticky and things like that. It's not always perfect. But you know what I do? I just keep on going. I'm not going to stop and worry about it. I work with what I have and just keep it moving. So don't get frustrated. Just do what you can and work with what you got. So I stuck the white onto the cookie, and now I'm sticking the top part on. And so now this cookie where the leaf connects, the top connects to the cookie. Sorry guys, it seems kind of weak, but once you lay it down to dry and it dries complete, it'll be perfectly fine. So I'm putting in some lines on the carrot to give those lines, like the carrots have. And then I'm putting some lines into the green part of the carrot and make it look like, leafy and leaves and stuff like that. And I'm just adding texture to it like I did to the carrot base part. And, that's it. It looks like it's hard and intimidating, like if you didn't see the tutorial, but it's pretty easy. So go make you some. And there you go. Got your carrot cookies. And they came out so cute. Add it to the rest of your fake bakes. Make you some.